Hello everyone and welcome to our new video, where today we're going to be checking out the top 5 best office desks in the market in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these desks, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the Neat Computer Desk. The Neat Computer Desk would be an ideal addition to your office due to its quality construction, large working space, and the most important part, its affordable price, which you should not miss on. From a design perspective, this model measures 47 inches in length, 23 inches in width, 29.5 inches in height, and weighs around 40 pounds. But, surprisingly, its maximum weight capacity is up to 800 pounds of equipment. The material used for crafting this desk is an E1 solid particle wood that is very durable and guarantees long years of usage without decreasing the desk's quality. This wood is scratch resistant as well, which is something that can't be often found with products in this price range, so I have to admit that the manufacturer did a really good job in combining a high quality product with an affordable price. In addition, the panel is supported by a 1.2mm thick metal frame that can withstand, as I've stated before, 800 pounds of equipment without any problem, so you would be able to place everything necessary on the desk to have your productivity increased. The installation process is butter smooth, since all you have to do is just install the included 4 legs and use 8 screws that must be tightened as much as possible in order to avoid any undesirable scenarios. After you set it up properly, then you can place your all-in-one desktop or laptop and the keyboard, but you shouldn't hesitate to include your other important accessories as well, due to the fact that the desk surface and legs ensure a high level of stability. I also want to inform you that the manufacturer suggests that you shouldn't only use the desk as an office desk, because it is very versatile. To be more precise, you can use it as a meeting desk, office workstation, home desk, and much more. To conclude, if you're looking for a spacious 47-inch multifunctional desk that can let you store and keep all of your important things at one place, then this desk is the one for you. Next up, at number 4 we have the TRIBESIGNS Computer Desk. The TRIBESIGNS Computer Desk is a handsome, multi-purpose and large office desk that packs a huge working area with the intention to accommodate all of your necessary assets that can increase your productivity. From a design perspective, the TRIBESIGNS measures 55 inches in length, 23.6 inches in width, 29.2 inches in height, and it weighs around 55.12 pounds or 25 kilograms, so we can say that it is indeed a really spacious desk. The desk construction is composed of 0.98-inch thick laminated MDF that is finished with a light walnut color, which by default makes it suitable for any office decor. In addition, the surface is waterproof and resistant to scratches, so in terms of durability and usage, you won't have to look for a new office desk for a really long period of time. Since it is 23.6 inches wide, I want to inform you that you can place your printer, laptop, PC and even dual monitors on it without any problem, so you can be definitely more organized through your working day. Another great thing about the desk surface is that it wouldn't take long when it comes to cleaning, since the material will allow you to clean it effectively with a couple of swipes, so your desk will always look clean and shiny. The frame that supports the desk is made of a heavy-duty powder-coated steel that adds a really good touch of sturdiness and can support up to 900 pounds of stored equipment. According to the manufacturer, the assembly time wouldn't take more than 15 minutes, which is pretty cool, since the assembly process is really easy and intuitive. In order to install it correctly, I suggest you install the 4 included legs and the 2 leg bars by using a hex key, which will make your work a lot more convenient and easier. The legs are also adjustable, so you can adjust the length from 1 to 2 cm, which is a great solution for uneven floors. Overall, I recommend you consider this desk as your next purchase because it combines an affordable price with a great build quality. Next up, at number 3 we have the Z-Line BELAIRE. The Z-Line BELAIRE is a spacious L-shaped computer desk that looks exceptionally good due to the presence of glass, which will surely enrich your office room. From a design perspective, the BELAIRE measures 60 inches in width, 24 inches in depth and 37 inches in height, and it weighs around 96.45 pounds, which makes it sturdy enough to keep everything you intend to place on it. One of the best things about this model is the tempered safety glass desktop that promises a high level of endurance and durability, so you wouldn't worry about any cracks or other accidents. The whole desk is supported by a sturdy powder coat frame that is finished with a glossy black color that enhances the desk appearance even more. So, when you see the desk as a whole, I think that you will be left speechless. Thanks to its L-shaped design, the desk itself won't occupy too much space on your office, so you wouldn't feel tight and uncomfortable through your long working hours. But what makes this desk different from the previous two is the presence of the raised monitor shelf, which will offer you a healthy viewing position, so you won't feel any strains during your work time. In addition, this desk also has a separate pull-out keyboard that can accommodate both your mouse and keyboard, which is superb due to the fact that your working area will not be sacrificed in terms of space. I would like to inform you that the cleaning process is very easy as well, even though the desk uses a tempered glass that plays a significant role in its construction. The manufacturer states that you should use a dry cloth on the desk surface, and without any huge effort, the desk will be clean again. To conclude, the Z-Line BELAIRE would be a top option for you if you are looking to substitute your existing desk with a more beautiful and spacious one. Next up, at number 2 we have the Bush Furniture CABOTL. The CABOT is an L-shaped computer desk that combines an excellent build quality and a fantastic look with many useful features that will transform your traditional office into a new and a modern one. From a design perspective, the CABOT, when fully assembled, measures 59.45 inches in width, 59.45 inches in depth, 30.16 inches in height, and weighs around 77.4 pounds, which makes it capable enough to hold a lot of stuff without any problems. The CABOT features a luxurious chrome finish construction that is accompanied by a concealed storage cabinet that has a fluted glass door, a box drawer, a wire management system, an open storage shelf, and even a smartphone tray, where each of them plays a significant part to your overall user experience. You will not only have space for your desktop PC, laptop, or dual monitor setup, you would also be fully equipped with plenty of important work supplies such as papers, smartphones, and other similar stuff, which will make you a lot more productive and organized. For example, you can divide your accessories in each of the compartments, so you will always know where you have your stuff and have an instant access to them. But what is so unique about the CABOT is its integrated 4-port USB hub that will allow you to connect plenty of peripherals and keep your smartphone always charged. I would also like to mention that the CABOT's L-shaped design wouldn't occupy a huge part of your office space, since, as you know, desks such as this one are positioned mostly at the corners. The only remark some people have is the assembly time, which is always connected to the user's skill, but if you're not a professional, then you can expect to spend an hour or two to fully assemble it. Overall, you should consider this desk seriously as your next purchase due to its smart features, handsome look, and the superb build quality that guarantees a long time of usage. To finish off our list, at number 1 we have the APEXDESK Elite Series 71-inch. The APEXDESK Elite Series 71 is an electric standing desk that is a must-have for every office due to its ergonomic and space-efficient construction that will significantly improve your posture regardless if you use it in the standing or the sitting mode. From a design perspective, the Apex is 71 inches wide, 33 inches deep, and has a maximum holding capacity of an impressive 225 pounds thanks to its dual motors. The tabletop was crafted by using an MDF board that makes the desk sturdy, solid, resistant to scratches, and able to maintain its original quality even if you've been using it for a really long period of time. I really like the walnut and black combination, but you can also choose from the 6 wood colors that are available to you if you think that this color isn't for you. The reason why I like this color combo is the walnut tabletop and the black frame make this desk suitable for any office decor, since the colors are more natural. The black steel frame that supports the desk is accompanied by a one-piece center beam with 2 integrated motors that will allow you to adjust the height based on your preferences. To be more precise, you can choose from 29 inches to 48 inches of height, which is really good, since users from different heights can use the Apex without any problem. In addition, studies have proven that sitting in the same position leads to some problems with your back and posture. Well, with this desk, that wouldn't be a thing because you can always elevate it and have a healthier position. This will result in an increased productivity, which is always demanded by everyone and especially by your employer, so you can do plenty of tasks in a shorter period of time. To conclude, I suggest you seriously consider this desk as your next purchase, and if you ever decide to buy it, you will instantly feel the difference and the Apex will ensure that you wouldn't be disappointed with your decision. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these desks, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to them, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.